Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is a quick little tutorial on how to use some Walmart camp pans to heat some water with some isopropyl alcohol, a barbecue lighter, a Vienna sausage can with some cotton pads in the bottom of it. Put some vent holes there, so let's just see how these go together. The idea is that say you don't have electricity and you want to make some coffee.
You can turn off the lights for a test.
No.
Okay.
But thank you for that commentary. Okay. Train of thought totally derailed here. But life goes on. And that's what makes it so interesting and great. So thank you for that. Love you. And love you. And love y'all. So, okay.
You have to love yourself.
Okay, so I'm really trying not to make this video too long. Really trying not to make it too long. So we got the isopropyl alcohol that we're going to put in the Vienna sausage can, the cotton ball. That's all you really need. And we'll store that away from our little cook area.
Drop it in the area.
Then, well,
we're gonna cook the fish.
Worst case scenario, but be mindful of the fish. Safety. They're life forms too. Okay, so we got isopropyl alcohol, 91%. 70 will work, but not as well. Try to get 91, or if you can't get that heat stuff, HEET, for like getting the water out of gasoline tanks in cars. Or you could substitute Vaseline soaked cotton balls instead of alcohol. So yeah, that's our fuel. So we'll just set that down in there. Light it. Store a lighter away from what you're doing for safety. And put the little that thing on there, which will not actually go on there. So yeah, this was really dumb. Oh, yay! So thank God for wives. Well, that one still has top on it. Okay, so if you could take a can opener, take the top out of that one, and you could make a way to hold up your pan over that. But for now, until that's perfected, we just use.
What about that X thing? Shall I bring that out?
I'm wrapping up this video now, but yeah, you just use this until it boils your water, and you could bend the tabs down on this to make it fit over it, so it can keep it held over the fire, so don't sit there and hold it. That's what the air holes are for. And then when you're done, you just snuff it out with that thing, and that is it. So I'm stopping the video now. God bless y'all. Love y'all.